Leadershift, The 11 Essential Changes Every Leader Must Embrace, by John Maxwell is a leadership book that focuses on the changes that leaders must make to excel. The book lays out 11 key shifts that leaders need to make in order to lead effectively, providing real-world examples and practical advice for how to implement these changes in the workplace. The author argues that these changes are essential for a leader's growth and help to achieve better results for the organization. Throughout the book, Maxwell emphasizes the importance of flexibility, adaptability, and the capacity to embrace change. He also provides guidance for how leaders can shift their thinking and behavior in order to foster a culture of innovation, agility, and growth within their organization. One of the strengths of the book is that Maxwell doesn't just talk about theory, he provides real-world examples and practical advice for how to make these shifts happen. He emphasizes that the key to successful leadership is the ability to adapt to change and to inspire and empower others to do the same. The author also encourages the leaders to keep learning and growing in their leadership journey. However, a critique to the book could be that some of the shifts felt a bit repetitive, and there could be more depth in certain areas. Overall, Leadershift is a valuable read for anyone looking to improve their leadership skills. It is a quick read, but packs a punch. I highly recommend it for leaders of all levels who are looking for ways to foster innovation, agility, and growth within their organizations. I give it a solid 4 out of 5 stars. We would love to hear your feedback. Please subscribe, like, share our video review, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.